What is going on, everyone? Sam here from Lake Pro Tackle. I hope you're having an amazing day today. We've got a few awesome items going up on the website and in store here very, very soon. And we've also got an amazing sale going on right now. So make sure to stay tuned. We've got a bunch of cool stuff. But before we hop into that, guys, I want to let y'all know WeCast Tackle Show.
WeCast.
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 The WeCast Tackle Show, the premier new product showcase up here in North Texas, is going to be happening August 1st. We've got a bunch of cool items that we already know about and we can't wait to show you. Of course, we're going to be going to ICAST with the sole purpose of bringing those back here for y'all to get an exclusive look at those before they release. And I can't wait to see everyone there. It was an amazing turnout last year, had some amazing sponsors, and we've got some great sponsors this year as well. So, of course, Bates Fishing will be around here. If you loved the hot dogs, the beef franks, those are American Wagyu beef franks from Heartbrand Beef Company. We will have those again. Everything will be very similar to last year. The parking situation, of course, the in-store promotions, and you get to check out all the cool tackle come in 2026 and 2027. Right now, currently on the website, lakeprotackle.com, we do have a Father's Day sale going on. Make sure to go check it out. Save up to 15%. Some exclusions do apply, but make sure to add it to your cart. See if that discount automatically applies. No code needed, guys. Very cool items here in front of me. We have a couple drops happening very, very soon. So Monday, these guys are going up on the website. So Monday, the 23rd, 22nd, I think. Time is slipping away from me, guys. Let me double check. 22nd, that's right. The Berkley Moebas or Moebas are going up. We've got 4.5 inchers. These are the 6 colors that we have: black, green pumpkin, blue pearl, black hologram, bloodshot, mimizu, and watermelon. Now, all of these are absolutely incredible colors. Your more natural, clear waters, I would tend to go mimizu, watermelon, or green pumpkin. Even this blue purple hologram, which not a lot of people really, I haven't seen a lot of people fish this color a lot, but it is absolutely deadly, especially if they really like shad colored baits. If they're on shad, they're gonna love this one. Of course, black is a great one in all types of water. If you've got darker stained water, it can stand out and create that kind of silhouette effect and be very, very useful. Now, you know, what makes these different from maybe something like a Mag Q-Bomb from Geecrack or perhaps your normal Quakey style lures? Well, these aren't TPE, so you're not going to have to add extra weight to get them to sink. These are going to be the normal Berkley Maxent style plastic, and of course they're going to smell. They smell absolutely amazing to me. I love the smell of Maxent, but to a lot of people, you know, that Maxent is a little bit harsh, but that's what attracts the fish, gets them to hold on, and some very, very cool stuff. Now, the Moeba, they do come in 2 sizes right now, 4.5 and 3.5. Right now, we only got the bigger ones in, but it seems like everyone wants the full cast Quakies and want that little bigger sizing. What that typically does, and having more arms, more appendages, more body, is number one, you can see it on live scope better, and number two, it has more resistance in the water. The thicker the arms are and the bigger presence you have, the harder you can hit that bait, work it, and those arms are going to create a lot of resistance in the water and slow that bait down so you can fish it much, much more versatile. So really cool stuff with that. And then coming out very, very soon, this is the final prototype / final iteration of the Geecrack Crackdown Swimbait that I have in my hand right here. This guy is going up on the website on Saturday, the 27th. Both of these normal drop time, guys, 10:30 a.m. Central Time. This has been the most incredible 6-inch swimbait fishing that I have fished in a very, very, very long time. The Geecrack Crackdown Swimbait here is a elastomer TPE swimbait, ultra durable. Of course, it does have a harness where you can fish it top hook or bottom hook, and inside the kit you're also going to get a line threader to help you thread either top or bottom. And the hooks that come with it, ultra sticky sharp. Of course, you can use your own hook with the bottom hook, the top hook is specially designed for this harness. So you can try other hooks, but I know when it comes to this top hook, it is so ultra strong. I honestly feel like you don't need any other replacing of that hook. But if you want a little thinner hook on the bottom, go for it. You do have to hit these guys a little like medium hook setish. You can still reel into them a decent amount. But this has been incredible swim bait. It has enough head wobble to where that head shakes side to side and that tail is always kicking. Now, one of the things that I have said about this on the Instagram, make sure to check it out if you're not following, and /Facebook, is that the tail will always kick. This thing, it's so easy to work. You throw it out and just reel it in, whatever speed. That bait isn't blowing out. It's not rolling over, and this has been such an incredible experience to fish. They're going to come in, I think it's like 6 to 8 different colors. But for this initial drop on Crackdown, it is only going to be pearl white and electric shad. You know, we will have a pink lemonade, we will have IU, we will have a bunch of other colors, but this is currently it for now. I mean, absolutely incredible swim bait. Again, that head wobble from side to side, and then you're also letting that tail kick ultra easy. And you don't get a ton of resistance / response from the tail. The tail is very thin in the back section, and luckily it is TPE. It doesn't break. It won't hopefully break on you, maybe against a pike or a muskie or something like that. But this tail doesn't have much of a response from a heavier rod. So I really like a 7'3" all-around Kage rod. That has been my bread and butter, kind of that heavy / almost medium heavy-ish, maybe somewhere in between. Pretty moderate tip section, and then a decent parabolic bend, especially when using them with treble hooks. Top hook, I would definitely say go up to like a more heavy style rod, a little faster rod to drive that hook home. But this guy has been incredible. The harness also stays in there ultra well. And one of the cool features that they did add to this, I'm not sure if you can see in there, but see that red little bit inside that plastic? That is actually a harder TPE material that holds this hook in there much better. So that hook won't come flying out. You can skip this easily around different areas, whether it's a boat dock, skipped around brush, stuff like that. So the 2 drops going on again, guys. Monday, Moebas, 10:30 on Monday coming up here, and then the following Saturday, so not this Saturday, but the 27th, the Geecrack Crackdown Swimbait in 2 different colors, guys. 10:30 as well. Now on the 27th, John Shin is actually going to be up here at Lake Pro Tackle doing a seminar for y'all. This is going to be a paid seminar, so if you haven't already, make sure to go RSVP and pay your entry fee for that. I will link everything down below for y'all. I can't wait for y'all to check out the Moeba, the Crackdown Swimbait. Of course, Mag Q-Bomb is also coming as well. And can't wait for y'all to get your hands on those. Right now, guys, again, save up to 15% off. Some exclusions apply at lakeprotackle.com, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday through Father's Day here. And I hope everyone has a great rest of their day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. See you guys.